Because are you ready for the ride? So this is the day two, and yesterday I took a gap because I was a little frustrated. I didn't know what to do, and I got to know something about thought, a bit of searching, and a bit of things other which I think work. So this is the day two, and I did some research today. So what my plan is, see, I was using this collaborator or collatributor, okay, and there are lots of issues coming up, okay, and I did try to solve some of this, and I was very unsuccessful in doing that because sometimes I'm able to execute the project and get the system like environment ready for the thing, but then I don't know anything. I don't know anything about the project, and I haven't got lots of time to contribute to it. Like I know someone else will come and contribute, man. And I am not that confident enough. For example, coming up to this issue, I'm not confident enough, or any issue. Good first up here. This one is for today. Yeah, like see, someone has just commented something, or maybe someone just said that I'm working on it. Okay, sorry, it looks like someone is already working on. I mean, it's like someone could come and say, "Can I take it?" I'm not that confident enough about the project that I can go and say that I take it, because at the end of the day, if I say that I want to take it and then I spend lot of time with the project and I don't know how to solve it, and I don't know. And to be honest, the reason why I did start this whole challenge series for 2 months for me was that I would get familiar with how to go to a random new project and start contributing. So this method is not that effective for me, and it will be effective if I get familiar to doing it in maybe faster ways or some better ways. I don't know. It it comes with experience probably. Something like it's like acquired skill. It cannot be coming from somewhere outside. So why my plan is that I will do it the other way. And then I think there is some benefit of doing it this way than doing the way I was doing it. Okay, I will just tell you. So first of all, what I will do is I will check all the projects which are listed up here. All the projects, whether it is a database or whether other projects, something very close to cloud native landscape, like something something very like very old, like Kubernetes or something. I don't know if I can contribute that big project for now because it will take me lots of time to get familiar to it. But then at the end of the day, the reward is very good. It's very rewarding to do that. But what I think is I will just check the projects up here and take my time to explore it first. Okay, like if I take something which is in sandbox mode, sandbox. We that day we saw that a sandbox project is something. Is it? Uh, oh, I remember where did we get? But there are three types of projects. One is the mature one. graduated one. Then we have the projects which are in incubation, which are being built rigorously, like very fast. Lots of people are contributing to it. And then there are the projects which are actually sandbox. Sandbox mean they are about to be considered, or they are considered inside this cloud native, but it's very experimental. It's like something which can be a future, which cannot be a future. It might be dumped, it might be flourished. So I will just take something like that, because those projects won't be that big. It will be to a scale, it will be manageable for me. Okay. And then I will explore it. I will like check its insights, which I think like checking the health of the project. I'll check like how many people are being involved, how many people are contributing, what are number of issues up there, are there a good number of easy or good fast issues, then what are like how many contributions are being done in a week, how many PRs are being accepted, how many people are involved, like those kind of metrics I will just check. We can check these things very easily. Just if you go to the issues, for example, this project itself. For open one, if I see there is the timing, okay, you see 9 hours ago, 13 hours ago, 14 hours ago, lots of issues are being created. Then if I check the closed one, you can see 8 hours ago, 6 hours ago, yesterday, 12 hours ago, yesterday. So these issues are being closed also, and they are being merged. So this is like this is a issue which is being not merged, but as I don't mean merge. I mean like this for example, this issue, there is some fix which is being merged. You can see someone they did some change and it is being merged. So even you can see the PRs. How many open PRs are there? Lots of people are doing the contribution, and they are the contribution which is being merged. And something to understand is that if a project have like 2000 number of issues and almost close number of PRs, you can see it's super active. It's super active. So it's not for me. VLLM, it's not for me, because then I will have to go through a competition. Okay, I'll have to go through a competition, and I am not that ready to go for a competition at the moment. You're getting me? If you are familiar with the project, it's okay, you can go and complete. But if you're not familiar with that project, or if you're not familiar with working with those kind of projects, those scale of projects, it will be very difficult for you to even figure out how to solve or how to integrate a thing or how to do the thing. And then at the end of the day, by the time you have done a change, someone else will be already creating a PR or taking the issue or taking the thing. And you cannot do a issue hunting on a very big scale project, because then you understand that okay, like how many things, how you will find the issue, like I don't know, like how will I check every corner of the thing and see that if there is some issue which I can fix. So those are few of the things which I, and one more thing is insight also. Up here, see the graph, like this is for 1 week. Check how many people are contributing. There are lots of people, like you can already see. And one more interesting thing is that if in a week if you make like a contribution more than 23, you will be ahead of everyone. So like that's a big thing, believe me. Like about 23, that means like 3 4 contributions a day for a week. Yes. And being a new project, I don't know if that's like you can do something like that. So there is one more thing. Commits. This is the commit chart. Okay. And it shows how many commits are being made. And you can check for the graph. Like this will tell you what is the pace of the project. Okay. And yeah, these things which you can consider for like a month, and check it for a month, like that. Well, so for tomorrow, instead of just jumping into random issues, which I did for uh 2 days already. Yeah, 2 days already. Two days. I took a break. I should have done it yesterday. But it happens. Sometimes you don't know. You are not clear, and you are trying to do something. So I didn't even get the mentorship for the thing. So I'm trying to figure it out myself. I'm checking other people's blog and YouTube things, trying to understand how other people are doing it, and I I might be able to do it tomorrow. I not might, I will be able to do it tomorrow. That's true. But for now, I need to learn and question the things. So I will take some time to understand the project, try to understand how it is structured, what are its dependencies, uh, what a particular module does, how it is laid, and then when I will feel a little bit confident with that thing, I will then pick one of the issue and try to dig it. I have done digging the issues before, but I think like before also when I was contributing for a ladybird, for the ladybird, I can show you that if I get search or something. Yeah. Yeah. So, and one more thing to consider is that you should, will be going and checking the discussions or, yeah, just the discussions involved and how the PRs are being merged, how people are reacting, how people are doing, asking the things or saying the thing. Is there this AI thing which summarizes the issue and things? Like I will have a better idea how people work because I don't know. There are some of the repositories where people are a little uh, rude for the like newcomers, not because they are like really rude or something. I don't know, but maybe they are very rigid about how a newcomer should contribute or do the thing, or maybe they and sometimes they are very rigid about the suggestions. They will say that no, I am making this for me and something like that. So I need to consider those things also. So whenever I go for a thing like that, I will check it. So how do I show you here which I made? Well, I don't, I don't know. I think I did add it. Yeah. So something like this. I did it before for this repository. It was the issue was like new when they did open it. Okay. So this is the merge request and this is the merge request which I did open. Also is this branch. I did add it to the title. I don't know what you are doing. So this was the issue. Check it in here. I check it in. This is exactly the issue which I did fix. And up here, that's how it was like someone opened it in August 20, you can see. And I did do my PR on September 18th. And I picked this PR about like a week ago of September 18, like a week before. And I was like checking, someone did already ask about which would be preferred way and thing like that. And no one answered. So I was not confident enough to take this issue completely. So I I didn't say like I want to take this issue or something like that back then also. And suddenly I came and I put this comment and they gave a PR. Like I gave a PR and put this comment that I did solve it. This is the visual how it is solved. And you can see like I just said that I did solve it. And that's the thing. It took me a while. They gave me like this guy TCL. I'm very thankful to this guy. He's the one who merged it. So he gave me the corner cases, asked me to find something or fix something or something. Maybe I'd clean it. And I did it then. I did it and it was merged. Later on, whatever happened. I, it was merged. Finally, it was merged completely and I was happy what happened. So it took me like a week to get familiar to what is a ladybird, how it works back in the days. I think it won't take me a week this time because I've done it before for ladybird or for windmill. So first of all, I'll pick a project which interests me instead of jumping on every other project. Then check the in how it is structured, what are the things available, what are their vision, what is their roadmap, how the discussion is going on. And then I'll go for the issues. Look for something which is either easy or good first. I don't know if there will be lots of good firsts. I think there should be lots of good firsts in sandbox or maybe easy ones, not good first lot, but yeah, easy ones would be there and I could go and contribute to that. So that's all my plan, and thank you for listening. Let's do it. Let's go ahead and make change. Thank you.